curious fairy, and today we're exploring a whole bunch of amazing animals. We'll meet polar creatures built for ice and snow, and African animals that love warm sun and open plains. I'll help you learn their names, discover what they eat, and see how each one lives in its own wild and wonderful home. Let's build a super cool diorama where completely different habitats meet. On one side, we'll create a cold, icy polar island with snow, frozen cliffs, and drifting ice. On the other side, we'll make a hot African savanna with yellow grass, tall acacias, and warm sun. I'm making a small lake for the African animals, shaping the water area so they can drink, rest, and cool down in the shade. Let's decorate the African savanna with tall trees, mighty baobabs, and cactus clusters. And on the polar icy island, we'll add tall icebergs and huge floating ice sheets. The icebergs will rise like frozen mountains, while the big slabs of ice drift slowly around them. For the icy ocean and the African island, we'll make the water out of blue slime. It will spread smoothly across both habitats, looking like cold Arctic waves on one side and a warm, shimmering lake on the other. We worked hard and built a beautiful diorama, and now we're ready to learn the animals' names and explore how they live in their icy or sunny habitats. Bowhead whale. The bowhead whale is an Arctic giant that survives among drifting ice, using its incredibly strong skull to break frozen sheets and breathe. It feeds on tiny crustaceans and slowly migrates through icy waters, enduring some of the planet's harshest cold. Reindeer. The reindeer thrives in Arctic forests and tundra, using wide hooves to walk on snow and dig for lichens, its main winter food. It migrates long distances and changes fur seasonally, helping it stay warm, avoid predators, and survive extreme cold. Polar bear. The polar bear survives on drifting Arctic ice, relying on a remarkable sense of smell to detect seals from far away. Its dense fur and thick fat protect it during long hunts, and it can swim for hours between ice sheets, enduring extreme cold and isolation. Narwhal. The narwhal lives in remote Arctic waters and is known for its long spiral tusk, a sensitive organ filled with nerves that help sense shifts in temperature and salinity. It dives deep to hunt fish and squid and travels in small, quiet groups through drifting ice. Arctic fox. The Arctic fox survives on icy tundra by shifting its fur from white in winter to brown in summer, helping it blend into changing landscapes. It hunts rodents beneath snow, scavenges leftovers from polar bears, and endures brutal cold thanks to its dense, heat-saving coat. Walrus. The walrus lives along Arctic coasts, using its long tusks to haul its heavy body onto ice and to compete for space within crowded groups. It dives to the seafloor to eat clams and other soft-bodied prey, relying on thick blubber to stay warm in freezing waters. Arctic wolf. The Arctic wolf roams remote tundra and icy plains, hunting musk oxen and hares while traveling with its tight-knit pack. Its pale coat blends with snow, helping it stalk prey, and its strong stamina lets it endure long journeys across harsh, frozen landscapes. Snowy owl. The snowy owl lives across wide Arctic tundra, using sharp eyesight and nearly silent wings to hunt lemmings and birds. It perches on snowy ridges to scan the land, and its dense, insulating feathers help it endure fierce winds and survive long, freezing winters. Ermine. The ermine turns pure white in winter, leaving only its black tail tip visible against snowy terrain. It hunts rodents in narrow tunnels, storing extra prey for colder days. Agile and bold, it survives harsh northern climates by hiding, stalking, and conserving energy. Seal. The seal lives along icy coasts, using strong flippers to swim fast and escape predators in cold seas. It rests on floating ice, dives deep to catch fish and squid, and relies on thick blubber to stay warm. Curious by nature, it often approaches objects near the water. Arctic hare. The Arctic hare survives on frozen tundra with powerful legs that help it sprint away from predators across deep snow. It feeds on roots, bark, and winter shrubs, huddling with others in harsh weather. Its thick white fur keeps it warm and nearly invisible in winter. Penguin. The penguin lives in the cold Southern Ocean, using strong flippers to glide quickly underwater while hunting fish and krill. It gathers in tight colonies on ice to share warmth, and its waterproof feathers and thick fat layer help it endure long, stormy Antarctic winters. Elephant. The elephant roams African savannas, using its trunk to gather food, sense water, and communicate through low rumbles. It eats grasses, leaves, and bark, traveling long distances with its herd. Its large ears help release heat, allowing it to endure intense sun. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus spends its days submerged in rivers and lakes to protect its sensitive skin from the harsh African sun. It grazes on grasses at night, moves surprisingly fast in shallow water, and relies on its massive jaws to defend territory within crowded groups. Giraffe. The giraffe roams African savannas, using its long neck to reach leaves high in acacia trees and to watch for predators across open plains. It travels in loose groups, feeds throughout the day, and relies on strong legs and height to stay safe in wide, dry landscapes. Python. The python hides in African grasslands and forests, using heat-sensing pits to detect prey in the dark. It hunts rodents, antelopes, and birds, striking fast before wrapping its strong coils around them. After eating, it rests for days to digest in safe cover. Crocodile. The crocodile lives in African rivers and wetlands, waiting motionless near the water's edge to ambush fish, antelopes, and birds. Its powerful jaws snap shut with immense force, and its armored skin and strong tail help it survive both long hunts and harsh heat. Okapi. The okapi lives in dense Congolese rainforests, using its long, flexible tongue to pull leaves and buds from shaded trees. Though related to giraffes, it moves quietly like a forest deer, relying on sharp hearing and striped legs to stay hidden from predators. Cheetah. The cheetah prowls African plains, using its lightweight body and long tail to balance during high-speed chases. It hunts gazelles in short bursts of speed, resting afterward to recover. Its sharp vision helps it spot prey from afar and survive in open grasslands. White lion. The white lion is a rare color variant from South Africa, living in family prides across open savannas. Its pale coat stands out at dawn and dusk, but still helps during coordinated hunts. It feeds on zebras and antelopes and relies on teamwork to defend territory. Zebra. The zebra roams African savannas in alert herds, using its bold stripes to confuse predators during chases. It feeds on grasses throughout the day and stays near waterholes. Strong social bonds help the group warn each other and survive long migrations across dry plains. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros lives on African savannas and grasslands, using its massive horn to defend territory and push through thick vegetation. It feeds on grasses, shoots, and leaves, moving mostly at dawn and dusk. Its tough skin and strong sense of smell help it avoid danger. Hyena. The hyena survives across African plains by hunting in coordinated groups and scavenging when needed. Its powerful jaws can crush large bones, letting it reach nutrients other predators leave behind. It communicates with whoops and laughs while defending territory at night. Antelope. The antelope roams African grasslands with sharp senses that help it spot predators from afar. It feeds on grasses and leaves, moving in herds for safety. Its long legs and quick turns let it escape fast hunters, and seasonal migrations guide it to fresh grazing areas. Baboon! The baboon lives in African savannas and rocky highlands, traveling in large troops that protect each other from predators. It eats fruits, roots, insects, and small animals, using sharp intelligence to find food and navigate conflicts within its complex social groups. In our diorama adventure, we explored the names of many polar and African animals, learning how each one survives in its own world of ice or sun. From snowy hunters to fast savanna runners, every creature showed us something unique. You did amazing! Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures!